Welcome my students. Today I am discussing about the nomenclature of alkyl cyanides. You have learned in the previous lessons that there are two different ways of naming of organic compounds, trivial name and IUPAC name. Here trivial name is discussed first. There are two kinds of naming trivial processes. One of them is from the source or according to the hydrolysis product. Hydrolysis products, the name ends with the nitrile. As for example, HCN, it is obtained from formic acid, or formic acid is obtained by the hydrolysis of it. Then HCOOH. If you hydrolyze HCN by acid solution, then formic acid is obtained. So its name will be formonitrile. Formonitrile. Similarly, CH3CN, when hydrolyzed by acid, then acetic acid is obtained. So its name will be acetonitrile. Similarly, C6H5CN, when hydrolyzed by acid, then benzoic acid is obtained. So its name will be benzonitrile. Benzonitrile. And the another types of naming in the trivial system is name of alkyl group is first, then cyanide is added as suffix. As for example, HCN, it is named as hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide. CH3CN is named as methyl cyanide, as CH3 is methyl. Similarly, C6H5CN is named as phenyl cyanide. CH3CH2CN is named as ethyl cyanide. Now I shall discuss about the nomenclature in the IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, CN is considered as number 1 position, and total number of carbon atoms is counted in the long chain. As for example, CH3CN, here C of CN is given position 1, then CH3 is 2, number 2. So here 2 carbons are present. Therefore its name will be ethane nitrile. Name ends with nitrile. Ethane nitrile. CH3CH2CN, it is named as propane nitrile, as there is 3 carbon atoms. So propane nitrile. CH3CN, here 1 2 3. This CH3 is considered as replaced group or branch. So 2-methyl and then propanenitrile. 2-methyl propanenitrile. If there are 2 CN groups in any compound, then di is used. As for example, CN and CN, that is CN whole 2. It is named as ethane dinitrile. Ethane dinitrile. CH3 CHCN and CH2CN. It is named as 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then it is named as 3-methyl. 3-methyl butanenitrile. Butanenitrile. If there are 3 different CN groups, then it is considered as carbonitrile. Carbonitrile. As for example, CH2CN, CHCN, CH2CN. Here 3 different CN groups are attached. So numbering will be done on the CH2 group or CH only. CN is not considered in the numbering system. So here 3 carbon atoms are present in the long chain. Therefore, propane 1 2 3 nitrile carbonitrile will be IUPAC name. Propane 1 2 3 tricarbonitrile. So you have learned about the nomenclature of alkyl cyanide. Now I shall discuss about the nomenclature of acid anhydride. Acid anhydride are the compounds obtained by dehydration of carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus pentoxide, then anhydrides of that acids are obtained. So P2O5 delta, then RCOOCOR plus H2O. This is the anhydride. Its general formula CO bond O bond CO. So it will be named in the trivial system after the naming of acid from where it is obtained, and anhydride is added at the last. As for example, CH3CO bond O bond CO CH3. It is also written as CH3CO whole 2O. So it is obtained from acetic acid. So its name will be acetic anhydride in the trivial system. Acetic anhydride. CH3CO CH2CO bond O bond CO CH2 CH3. It is obtained from propionic acid. So its name will be propionic anhydride. Propionic anhydride. Similarly, from benzoic acid, the anhydride obtained is benzoic anhydride. Benzoic anhydride. These are all simple anhydride. But if the anhydride is obtained from two different carboxylic acid, then alphabetically their name is written. As for example, CH3CO bond O bond CH2 bond CO bond CH2 CH3. It is obtained from acetic acid and from propionic acid. This is obtained from propionic acid and this group is obtained from acetic acid. So its name will be acetic propionic anhydride, because A is the first letter and then P. Acetic propionic anhydride. In this way you can name different anhydrides according to their trivial name. But in the naming of IUPAC system, the number of carbon atoms are counted in the RCO group, and then ETH, FLOF, etc. are written, and anhydrides are written as suffix. As for example, CH3 CO bond O bond CO CH3. Here both CH3 CO group contain 2 carbon atoms. So here ethanoic 1 2 1 2 ethanoic anhydride will be its IUPAC name. Similarly, CH3CO bond O bond CO bond CH2 CH3. Here it contains 2 carbon atoms, but this contains 3 carbon atoms. So it is ethanoic and this is propanoic. So E first then P. So its name will be ethanoic propanoic anhydride. In this way you can name the different anhydrides. So you should subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you.